And welcome back to the BuzzNews channel. Today's top story in the United States focuses on the economy, as new reports show stronger than expected growth, while Americans continue to deal with inflation concerns and rising living costs. According to the latest data released in Washington, the U.S. economy has shown steady expansion over the past quarter. Consumer spending remains strong, unemployment rates are historically low, and business investments are gradually increasing. This comes at a critical time as the country heads deeper into an election year, with economic performance becoming one of the most debated issues nationwide. President Joe Biden stated earlier today that the new numbers prove the American economy is on the right track. He highlighted job creation, infrastructure investments, and growth in manufacturing as key achievements of his administration. The White House emphasized that wage growth is beginning to outpace inflation in several sectors. However, critics, including former President Donald Trump, argue that everyday Americans are still feeling financial pressure. Rising housing costs, grocery prices, and interest rates remain major concerns for families across the country. Trump and other Republican leaders claim that while headline numbers look positive, middle-class households continue to struggle. The Federal Reserve has also been closely monitoring inflation trends. After several aggressive interest rate hikes over the past 2 years, inflation has cooled compared to its peak. Still, officials warn that maintaining price stability remains a top priority. Financial analysts suggest that any new policy changes by the Federal Reserve could significantly impact markets, mortgage rates, and consumer borrowing. Meanwhile, Wall Street reacted cautiously to the new data. Major stock indexes saw mixed movement as investors weighed economic optimism against uncertainty about future rate decisions. Economists say the next few months will be crucial in determining whether growth remains stable or slows down. Across the country, small business owners are expressing cautious optimism. Many report improved customer activity but remain concerned about operational costs. Supply chains, which were heavily disrupted during the pandemic years, have largely stabilized, offering some relief to retailers and manufacturers. In addition to economic growth, voters are also paying close attention to wages and job security. With millions of Americans preparing for the upcoming presidential election, economic performance is expected to dominate political debates, campaign speeches, and policy discussions.